How to fix if you have 0 views on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can fix the 0 views on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say if you have 0 to no views on TikTok, there could be a couple of reasons. There are basically 2 reasons. One is the account-wise problem and other is the algorithm-wise issue. So if you have the account-wise issue, we'll also go to that. First of all, open up TikTok. Simply make sure that you're not actually using a private account. If you have a private account, you'll see the lock icon at the top. In order to switch to public, go to settings and then go to privacy, or you can see over here private account. Make sure that the toggle next to private account is actually turned off. When your account is private, only your followers will be able to view it. The other reason could also be, let's say you have simply set it to the public. So you can see interactions, you can see following list, like videos, post views. You want to make sure that all of it is set to public or everyone. Set it to the everyone as possible. The other thing could also be, let's say that you didn't receive a view on one of these particular videos over here. Then what you could do is you can check the privacy for this by going to the 3 dot at the bottom right, and then you can go ahead and simply select privacy setting. You want to make sure that it is set to everyone. So because when it is set to nobody, no one else other than you is going to be able to view it. So make sure it is set to everyone. You have allowed comments, duet, and stitch as well. Now basically these are only some of the account issues which you could be happening in the first place. The other reason, however, could be of the algorithm wise issues. So if you see algorithm wise, it's a bit tricky. If your account is new, you're just getting started on TikTok, you have to post more engaging content, you have to actually go ahead and use some effective hashtags. So in my case as well, if you look over here, I have actually used some of the hashtags over here. You want to make sure to use some effective hashtags because there are lots of free sites nowadays which gives you best hashtags for social media sites. You want to make sure to use trending and popular music, and most likely at least one of these would have helped solve your problem. We discussed 2 more likely issues. One is the account issue, the other is the algorithm issue. Hopefully this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.